3 tips to make your Batucada and Samba better. So number 1 is usage of your tummy. So as you're dancing Batucada, moving back with the beautiful steps, release your stomach, let this belly button wink, and let the tummy activate your hip. So it's a certain softness in your stomach, a little bit sense of contraction. So your tummy is contracting. Tip number 2 in Batucada, it's as you step back, let your hip guide your leg. Don't just move the leg. Let that hip circular motion take your leg back. So the hip moving the leg. So hip doing a circle, therefore the leg is doing circle. So hip taking the leg back with a circular motion. And tip number 3 is on the step itself. When you take a step, Batucada back, try to, as you're stepping forward, so you're crossing behind, but almost like you want to step forward. So it doesn't feel like you're moving back. It should feel almost like you want to go forward. So you're crossing behind and taking your leg as much forward as you can to produce much more cross, much more body angle. So enjoy your Batucada and follow for more.